Today's recipe is honey oatmeal bread. This is the type of bread that you want to have it in breakfast with jam or honey or butter, and it's made with a little bit of honey and oatmeal, healthy oatmeal, and it's so easy to make. So let me show you how. Now to start with, I'm taking 2.5 cups of warm milk, and to that I'm adding 6 tablespoons of honey. Always grease your honey bowl so that the honey comes out easily out of the bowl, doesn't stick to it. And then we are adding 4 tablespoons of softened butter. You can add melted butter too, but since the milk is warm, it melts in it. So to that we are going to add about 4 teaspoonfuls of instant yeast, and then we are going to mix it together and add 3 teaspoonfuls of salt. Again, mix it together, and to this we are going to add about 2 cups of rolled oats and 6 cups of bread flour. So we are going to mix everything together just with the help of the spatula. Then once it becomes shaggy, we are going to transfer it to a counter. So first we're going to grease the counter with the brush with oil, brush it with oil so that it doesn't stick to the counter. And then we're going to transfer the dough. And then we are going to use the hand for kneading. We don't need a mixer or anything, just with the heel of your palm, just keep on kneading like this. So if it sticks to the bottom, we can add a little bit of flour, but don't add a lot of flour because it'll just dry out the dough. So we'll keep on kneading till it becomes smooth. So you can see it has already become smooth now. Now what we are going to do, we are going to transfer this dough into a greased bowl and make sure it is coated on every side. So we are going to take a plastic wrap or a cling wrap, and then we are going to cover it and let it rest on a warm place for an hour. So you can see that our dough has risen after an hour, and so we're going to punch it down just like this, and then we are going to transfer it to the counter, and we are going to make 3 loaves. So we are going to cut it into 3 portions just like this. Now we'll take each of the dough, make it a rectangle, tuck the sides in, and then roll it. We'll repeat the process for a couple of times. Same thing, tucking the edge in. So we're going to make a rectangle, stretch it and make a rectangle with the heel of our palm, and then tuck the edges in just like this, and then roll. Make sure it's smooth on every side. You can roll it just like this. Make a log and then transfer it to a greased bread pan. Now we are going to do the same thing with the other dough portions. So we are done with the 3 loaves now. So we are going to cover it with the cling wrap again and let it rest in the counter for 1 to 1.5 hours till it's risen pretty high. So you can see the doughs have risen. So we are going to brush it with 1 egg white and water mixture just like this. And then we are going to sprinkle some oats on top. So we are going to bake this at a 350 degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes. But in the last 10 minutes, you're going to cover it with foil to prevent any burning. So here the breads are done. We are going to take it out. So now we'll take a knife and loosen the edges with the help of knife. Though we have used a greased bread pan, but still sometimes it gets stuck, so just run it through the edges and take the bread out. And if you tap it, if it makes a hollow noise, you'll know that it is done. So we're going to do the same with the rest of the breads. And they're out. So we'll let it cool in the rack for a few minutes, and then I'll show you how it looks after slicing. So here it is, it's all cooled, and let me cut and show you a slice. Oh, this is so good. Look how spongy it looks. Cut a few more slices. These are perfect breakfast breads. Look at this. This smells good, and these are so soft and spongy. So don't wait, just make this bread this week and have it with jam or butter and enjoy it. And please do let me know how it turned out. So see you next time. Please do subscribe, like and comment on my YouTube channel, Simply Saffron by Pooja Seol. Don't forget to push the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.